Hi, I'm Tim Adams, founder of Scout DNS. And in this quick 3-minute demo video, we're going to take a closer look at our Domain Insights subtab and discuss a use case. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer and get right to it. So as you may or may not know, the Insights subtabs are just a way that we bring better visibility and allow users of Scout DNS different ways to view their data. Specifically, the Domain Insights subtab allows us to get aggregate counts of domains that are inside the selected filter or time period that we have chosen here. So as you can see, we can filter the requests by specific site if I'm running multiple locations. I can filter the requests by policy if I'm using policies across different networks or that encompass multiple locations. I can even say, show me just the data that relates to specific category types such as threat, content, applications, or custom lists. At the top row, we have a few different options. I can view all of the DNS data. I can take a look at just the allowed or blocked domains. I can then select the number of rows that I want to see. We are a little bit unique in that none of our competitors allow you to view up to 1,000 unique domains or 1,000 rows. And then you can also finally select the time period, whether it was the last hour or a few different choices up to the last 30 days. Now, as with any of our Insight subtabs, we do allow you to take action or drill further into the data. So I'm going to go ahead and select a row here. Here at this row, there are a few things that I can do with just a couple of clicks. One, I can add this domain to any of our allowed or block lists. As you may or may not know, allowed or block lists are custom lists that are assigned at the policy level. So with just a couple of clicks, I can impact all of my users across 1 or 1,000 sites, or just the sites that those policies or those block lists or allowed lists are assigned to. I can then go a step further, and if I want to take a look at the log data that makes up this aggregate view, I can select Show Logs. Here, I'm going to get the specific log data, again, over the selected time period. And I can view the time of the request, view the category, I can view the WAN IP making the request, or I can take a look at the reason that the specific request was allowed or blocked. I can even go a step further, something that is unique just with Scout DNS, and actually inspect the full R data and message response. No one else does that. So what is a good use case here? So a lot of times administrators will make changes to policies and then want to get a better understanding of how that policy is affecting end users. So if I select blocked and I select the last month, I can then see how a specific policy is impacting at a specific site or across all of my users. Here, I can take a domain that I may feel is appropriate or that we may want to use, and I can allow or block the domain depending on my need. So there we go, our 3 minutes is up. Hopefully this was a good overview of the Domain Insights subtab. If you want more than a 3-minute demo or 3-minute evaluation, feel free to reach out to us. We can set up a call. I'd love to discuss and show you more about our product. So again, thank you very much.